To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Welcome back to the detective's office. Today we are going to talk about letters and what types of letters you're going to see. So let's talk about it. What are letters? Letters make up words and we use words to communicate. Strong readers look at the letters in each word and figure out what they say. So when your mom and dad are reading you a story, they are looking at letters so that they know what the story says. And I want to show you an example in one of my favorite stories. All right, let's read my story because remember we had talked about that letters make up words and strong readers look at the letters. So I'm going to look at each and every one of these words as I read my story so that I know what's happening. This is my favorite story. It's called I Want My Hat Back by John Klassen. My hat is gone. I want it back. Have you seen my hat? No. Why are you asking? I haven't seen it. I haven't seen any hats anywhere. I would not steal a hat. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thank you anyway. That is such a silly story, and if you have never read this story, ask your parents if you can read I Want My Hat Back. But when your parents are reading to you, they are looking at each of these letters in these words. They're sounding out the sounds and they're putting it back together to make a word. And that is why we're going to learn about letters. Did you know that letters have names and sounds? And when we are reading, we will use their sounds and not their names, unless it's a vowel, but we'll talk about that later. So I have some letters called consonants. Can you say consonants? Great word. Consonants. That is a big word. And consonants are all of the letters but the vowels. And we are going to learn about all of those letters and the sounds that they make so that you can become a strong reader. These two letters are consonants and they say sounds. Do you know what sound this letter says? If you do, when we get to this letter, you are going to already have it down. This sound is J. Can you say J? This sound is K. Can you say K? Now, these are their sounds. We're not going to say their names when we read, and these are called consonants. When we are reading and writing words, the order of the letters mean something and they matter. You have to put the sounds in the correct places. Do you remember in our second lesson when we were talking about sounds in words and we were breaking those sounds apart? You do? Good. That is going to help you to put your letters in order so that we can be strong readers. When we are reading and writing words, the order of them matters. Let's look at this page. So I'm looking at these letters. I'm going to say each sound. A, m, t, amped, amped. Have you ever heard of the word amped? Me neither. That must be a silly word. Let's try to flip these letters around to make a word. A, t, mat. I know what a mat is. Now that I changed the order, I can read the word and it makes sense. Learning to read is learning our secret code. Once you know the code, you can read anything. All right, right here it says 3. Color in number 3 on your detective's office. We just finished lesson 3, so I'm going to go back to my map and I am going to color in number 3. You can choose any color. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.